After separating from her husband of 28 years, Susan Taylor realized she needed a new perspective about men and relationships. Susan is a spa owner and mother of 9 who drove from her home in Arizona to the Shades of Intimacy studio in Heber City, Utah. She had come to the Shades of Intimacy workshop once before, and I asked her what made her decide to come back 3 years later for the workshop again.
Shades of Intimacy is a fabulous place to come and just experience in a really safe, but just energetically clean environment to feel different men and ways of being and ways of interacting. And that's just, I just kind of wanted to experience that again. And I go, why am I here then? Because it's intimidating and scary, but it was just time. I just knew it was time.
I checked in with Susan again in the morning on day 3 of the workshop and asked her to share her experience so far.
How do you get a group of people who don't really know each other at all and have them give a doggone, about your experience and your life and, your relationship? They do it. Jenny and Jason are masters. It's the group, but it's them as facilitators. And to have a community that really has your back is amazing. On day 2, you put yourself out there and play. It's really about play, and play creates a vitality that breaks through so many different barriers and boundaries, and inside and outside, and I feel supported and held. I think one of the things in life, we feel like we're walking through life alone, even when we're, we have children and family and partnerships, that we're still, we have to do it all. Today, at the beginning of day 3, I recognize there's like a whole tribe of people who have my back. And, my family has my back. But there's a difference. And now I know how to take this difference into my family and into my world. Now it feels like an adventure instead of like, I don't know, So that's fun because, that's just fun. One of the things that's really struck me with Jason and Jenny and everybody in here, everybody in this particular training, the last training, and how profoundly people can change in 3 days, and it isn't talk. It's not talk therapy. It's not a training where you sit on your butt for 3 days, really late hours, although those are valuable. This is so different, and I've done a lot of those, and these are very few words and really profound change. There's something really unique about this community. There's a couple here that are visiting from Colorado, and his comment was, why do they care? They've just created an interesting, yummy group of people that really do care. And it's profound. How possibilities can open up in our lives if we feel supported and loved and we know that people care.
For more information about the relationship and intimacy coaching and retreats offered by Jenny and Jason, visit www.shadesofintimacy.com.